guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. So it is almost my little girl's birthday and we are taking her to Disney World, which we are so excited about. We love Disney so much. So I thought it would be fun if we had some mouse ears to wear while we were there. But what's not fun is paying like $24 or however much they are at the park. So I figured I would figure out how to make them so we can have some ears to wear while we are there. And they turned out so cute. So I'm so excited to share with you guys how you can make your own little Disney ears. Okay, so materials. You're going to need a headband, and I got a pack of headbands from like the girls section at Target because I wanted them to be able to fit on Hallie's head as well, and they still fit on mine too. So I just got a little pack of girl headbands so both of us can wear them, and I think like these wider headbands will work better than the skinny ones. Okay, next you're going to need some fun fabric for your ears and for a bow, or you don't have to have a bow. That's like the great thing about making your own stuff is you can have them look however you want them. There's so many fun different fabrics if you just go to a fabric store, but I picked up kind of the classic like sequence ears. That's the one I'm going to be making today, but we also made a few different fun ones for Hallie for her princess dresses, so I'll show you those as well. Next you're going to need some cardboard, so just grab like an old shoebox or Amazon box or goldfish box and just rip off some cardboard because this is what we're going to need for the structure of our ears. We're also going to need some cotton balls. You can get actual like batting if you want to from a fabric store, but I already had these and I figure these will work fine, so we're gonna go with these. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your cardboard and your headband, and you're just going to lay your headband on your piece of cardboard like this, and you're going to trace the arch of the headband. Because when we cut out our ears, we want the ears to have the same arch as the headband so that they will sit on the headband perfectly, so that they will stay super well. And then I just honestly eyeballed it. I just drew with a pen on the arch kind of the shape of the ears that I wanted, and then I just cut that out of the cardboard, and I made sure that the ears were the same size. So after I cut them out, I just put them together and just kind of cut any excess cardboard that was around an ear if it was larger than the other. So after that you should have two little ears, cardboard ears. I made mine pretty small. You can have like big mouse ears if you want, but I just did little ones because I thought that'd be cute. And again, I want Hallie to be able to wear them, so I don't want them to be like super overwhelming for her head. So I have two little mouse ears out of my cardboard, and it has this arch that will fit perfectly on the headband because I traced it beforehand. Okay, so then using the ear that we just cut out, you're going to take your fabric, and on the wrong side of the fabric, you're going to just place your ear on it, and you're going to just trace 4 ears on your fabric. You need 4 of them. So once you have those traced, you can go ahead and cut them out, but cut them out a little larger than what you've traced because you need some sewing allowance. Okay, so here's one of my ears. Here is how I traced it. So you can see I cut it out a little bit larger than the traced line, and I cut it a little bit longer and as just a straight edge at the bottom here, which will be helpful for when we attach it to the ear. Okay, and then to make an ear, I have 2 of my fabric pieces. I'm going to put right sides together, and then I'm going to sew right on the pin line that I made. So I'm going to start at one edge, sew up the arch to the other, but I'm not going to sew this bottom bit because we're going to need that open to be able to flip the ear inside out. So once it's sewn, go ahead and flip it inside out, and I just use my finger just to make sure all the corners and edges are pressed out. So then you have a little ear just like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my cardboard ear, and I'm just going to insert it into this little ear sleeve that we just made. Ah, so cute. Okay, now we're just going to plump it up a little bit. So this is where the cotton balls come in. I'm just going to take my cotton balls and just kind of tear them apart so it's not just like one big clump. And then I'm just going to add some cotton into both sides of my ear just to plump it up a little bit. You can add as much or as little as you would like. Okay, I feel like this looks pretty good and plump. I'm sorry, I know it's kind of hard to see the sparkles of this. It's making it kind of hard to see it. But here is my little ear, nice and plump. Now since I cut it with some like extra long tails, now I'm just going to take these little tails and kind of tuck them into the bottom like that. Okay, so here's one ear. I'm gonna go ahead and make my second ear. Okay, so here are my two ears. They're just so cute and teeny. Oh, they're gonna be so cute. Okay, so here is my headband. Now we're going to attach them. So I just kind of put my headband on and then I place these and just kind of look in the mirror and see where I want them. Okay, and then you have a couple different options for attaching them. You can use just like hot glue if you want. I use E6000 glue like for everything because it's industrial strength and I just have had great success with it in like every project that I do. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to put some E6000 glue on the bottoms of my ears and probably on the headband as well. And then it's going to take a little bit of time to dry, but then the hold should be pretty good. And you can find that glue at just like a craft store. Okay, so while those ears are drying, now we're going to make a little bow for the center. You can use, again, whatever fabric you want. I found this really cool, like, gold pleated fabric from my fabric store that I thought would look super pretty paired with the sequins. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut a big rectangle out of this. I just kind of made this up, but if you like these dimensions, this is 5 by 11. Strip of fabric. I'm going to fold it in half and then I'm going to just sew down this long edge. Okay, now I'm going to take my strip of fabric and I am just going to flip it inside out, so now it is the correct way. And now to make the bow, I'm going to take these two end pieces and just fold them to the middle like this, and then we're going to wrap some fabric around the middle so it'll look like this into a little bow. I think I'm going to do a little strip of my sequence fabric to wrap around the middle just to kind of tie the ears back into the bow. To secure this in place, I'm just going to take a needle and thread and just kind of hand sew it closed in the back. Okay, so to attach the bow, I'm just going to put some glue right here on the headband and at the bottom of my bow to attach it right in the middle. And then just to make sure the bow kind of stays in place, I'm also going to add a little bit of glue to the bow and the ear just to kind of glue down these corners on the actual ear so it'll stay like that. Okay, maybe I'll let this dry before I glue the corners down. Hallie has a few different princess dresses that she likes to bring to Disney, so I thought it would be cute to like make different ears to go with her different princess dresses. So this one was kind of inspired by Belle. She has a Belle yellow dress, and I thought this one would be super cute to wear with that. But also I'll probably steal them to wear in the park because I think they're just so cute. She also has a little Ariel dress that she loves. So these are the first ears that we made for her Ariel dress, which I think are so stinking cute. I just had we found green shiny fabric, and then we found these cool shells that I thought would be super cute. So we glue them on the ears, and then a little sequins bow. So cute. So yeah, these are her Ariel ones. I think I just need to make ears for every Disney princess because they are so fun to make. So after everything is dry, you are done. They turned out so cute, and it really didn't take very long at all. I'm obsessed. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more videos from me. Go make yourself some cutie little mouse ears. Also guys, we are almost at 12,000 subscribers, which is so crazy. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you can join the family. I am blown away that so many people are watching little old me and my channel, and I'm just so grateful for you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being part of my life, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye!